Okay, we've all been there, right? You spend all this time crafting the perfect email, you hit send, you're excited, and then nothing. Crickets. You're left wondering, where did it all go? Well, today we're going to solve the mystery of the spam folder and figure out exactly why so many good emails end up going bad.
So what is the deal? I mean, you're not a spammer, you're sending out great stuff to people who actually signed up for it. So why are your campaigns getting flagged? Why are your open rates just tanking? It's frustrating, but there's a really specific reason for it.
And here it is. Surprisingly, it often has absolutely nothing to do with your subject line or what's inside your email. The real problem is trust, or a lack of it. See, if your sending IP address or your domain is new, or maybe it just hasn't been used in a while, email providers basically see you as a complete stranger. Think about it. It's like someone walking into a party and just screaming for everyone's attention. It's weird, it's suspicious, and that's exactly how they see your big email blast.
So the key here isn't just what you're sending, it's about proving you're a trustworthy sender from the get-go. And that all boils down to one incredibly important thing: your sender reputation.
You know, the best way to think about this is like a credit score, but for your email. Every time you send, email providers are scoring you. They're looking at things like bounce rates, spam complaints, all that stuff. If you have a high score, you're golden. Your emails slide right into the inbox. But a low score, you're going straight to junk. It's really that simple and that crucial.
Oh, I love this analogy. It just puts it so perfectly. You would never just wake up and run a marathon without stretching, right? You'd get hurt. Well, email is the exact same thing. You've got to warm up your IP address first to avoid totally wrecking your sender reputation before you even get started.
And this chart right here shows you the two paths you can take. Over on the left, you've got that sudden spike from a brand new IP. To email providers, that's a massive red flag. It just screams spammer. But look at the right, a gradual, slow increase in volume. Well, that looks natural. It's how a real person would start using their email, and that is what builds the trust you need to land in the inbox.
Okay, so gradual growth is the answer. But let's be real. Who has the time to manually manage that all day? Nobody. And that's where a strategic, automated warm-up changes the game. So this whole process has a name. It's called an email warm-up. And the goal is super simple. Gradually ramp up how many emails you send. You're basically teaching the email providers, step by step, that you're one of the good guys and you deserve a spot in the main inbox. Now, you could try to do all this manually, but trust me, it is incredibly time-consuming and it is so easy to mess up. This is where automated tools are an absolute lifesaver. A service like Easy Email Verification's automated IP warm-up literally handles the entire process for you. It just takes all the guesswork out of building a great reputation. And the process couldn't be simpler. Seriously, it's just 3 steps. You add your accounts, you set a custom schedule that matches what you're trying to do, and then you just sit back and track the progress in the dashboard. The system does all the heavy lifting. And the benefits here are just huge. I mean, yeah, it saves you a ton of time, but it's more than that. Automation gives you the consistency that email providers are looking for. It gets rid of human error and perfectly mimics those natural sending patterns that build a rock-solid sender reputation. It's all about getting better results every single time.
Okay, so a proper warm-up is the foundation, right? But if you really want to master your email deliverability, you need a complete toolkit. Let's take a look at the other pieces of this puzzle.
This is what a full-blown strategy really looks like. You've got email scoring, which is like a health check for your domain. You've got a blacklist monitor to make sure you haven't ended up on any spam lists. A DMARC monitor protects you from fraud. And this one's a biggie. An inbox placement test that shows you exactly where your emails are ending up. Is it the inbox, promotions, spam? You'll know for sure.
So let's bring this all home, because at the end of the day, this isn't about a bunch of technical jargon. It's about one thing: getting your emails seen by actual people. And really, it just comes down to this. When you get the warm-up right and you have a healthy sending setup, your emails start going exactly where they're supposed to go, right into the inbox. And the real-world impact of that is massive. Better deliverability builds a stronger reputation. That stronger reputation leads to way higher engagement. We're talking more opens, more clicks. It creates this amazing positive feedback loop that protects your domain for the long run. So who is this for? Well, it's for anyone who needs to build that trusted reputation and needs to do it fast. We're talking marketers launching new campaigns, SaaS platforms that are onboarding new users, or really anyone who's starting out with a fresh domain. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and actually start landing in the inbox consistently, you should definitely check out the automated IP Warmup service. You can learn all about it over at easyemailverification.com. I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What could you and your business achieve if you knew for a fact that every single email you sent was landing in the inbox? Just think about that. Thanks for tuning in.